हेलो फ्रेंड्स, इज़ मी उर्मिला अग्रवाल और आज के हमारे वीडियो का टॉपिक है हाउ कैन वी क्रिएट अ ऐप डेवलपमेंट फॉर एंड्रॉयड विद इन 5 to 10 minutes. If you like my video and you want to be more videos are there, then please like and subscribe my channel. So let's start. First of all, our content is there. So go to the Play Store and just write here free app builder. So after the free app builder, you go to the anyone content, you will be select here any app you will be select from here. I am selecting here app creator, free Android app creator, that is I already installed in my mobile. So let's go now, open it, just clicking here. When you open this software, you can see here a button is there, create app for free. So just click here. After opening your window, you just go to the create now. When you click on there, then you can see two options are here, business and individual. I'm selecting here wallpaper. You can select any category which one you want to be there according to your requirement. If you want to be book, photo editing, anything you can be used to there according to your requirement. So after the selecting the wallpaper, there is a preview, and now I'm clicking on the next button. Now give the album name. I'm writing here tag. Just give that your album name. After that, click on the add image. You can select any picture from your gallery. I'm selecting here a picture, and then it will be uploaded there. After the uploaded, if you want to be more pictures, you can be click on add more and give the same album name and upload the more pictures are here. You can see here uploading my picture is there. After the completion, I'm adding the more picture are here. If you want to be remove file, you can be remove file and change your file also. Just click to giving the album name and add in new picture is here. फ्रेंड्स, आप जितनी चाहें यहाँ पे पिक्चर्स को ऐड कर सकते हैं अकॉर्डिंग अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट के. Now you can say I'm selecting here in a new picture. After the selecting the new picture, just click on next button. When you click on the next button, you can see here giving asking about name of app. I'm writing here wallpaper. My app name is wallpaper. After the giving name, just click the next button. Now you can see here is asking about the create button here. If you want to be publish your app after the creating, then you can click on the create button. You can see also the preview is there. If your preview is not to be appear, then doesn't matter. You can go to the dashboard, and you can see there is your app name wallpaper, and there is an arrow, down arrow, that is downloading your app is there. You can download or your arrow after the publishing is there. Now you can want to be on your ID, then you can resend your link is there. You can also using payment. If you want to be published on Play Store, then you can be some kind of the payment is there. If you don't want just on your phone, then you can be create on the publish button. After the publish button, you can scan your QR code also. यू कैन सी हेयर ना प्ले स्टोर पे अगर आपको पब्लिश करना है तो आप इसको 48 आवर्स के बाद वहाँ देख सकते हैं ना. उसके लिए आपको पेमेंट करना होता है, पेमेंट मोड में जा करके. यू कैन सी हेयर आई हैव पब्लिश्ड माई ऐप. नाउ गो टू देयर एंड सी योर वॉलपेपर इज अपीयर. नाउ ऐप डाउनलोडेड. Go to the app downloading is there. After the downloading your app, you can click on this arrow button. Now click on press and OK button. Once you have to be click on the OK button, then you can see here na scan QR code. If you want to be share on Twitter and FB, then you can also share there this link. You can see icon of their wallpaper and QR code. You can be download from here. Click on here. Now you can see they create your own app. Just click on the next button. Now you can see it's asking for open or save. I'm saving my file in my mobile. Once it is downloading, you can see here and downloading it my started. Once your app download, after that you can be used in your mobile. Remember, I'm downloading on my mobile. Is I'm not uploading on the any kind of the Play Store because it's not payable. आपको कुछ पेमेंट करना होता है. After that you can be see on your app is also there. So just go to the creating the app and downloading is there. You choose any. If you want to be more app creating, then go to the again starting page. You can see there downloading is going on. Once the downloading is completing, then it will be asked to installation in your mobile phone. You can see there is a link if you want to be forward in the Facebook on Twitter. Now my app is downloaded. Now I'm go to the my file option is there. In my mobile is the file option. Once I use there, now you can see I'm typing here wallpaper. Now is install, is asking about the install. I'm installing here. Once it's completely installed, you can be use it in your mobile. Now it's asking install anyway or okay. Just click on the install anyway. Now open. Now click on the open button. Now you can see easily your app is ready. Now if you want to be sent to someone, then you can be sent. I'm skipping this part. Now you can see my wallpaper is there. Which one I selected? Some kind of the category already is pre-built. Inbuilt होती है कुछ category. You can see also the setting. Now I'm using my wallpaper. Just click on here and you can see also there set wallpaper. Now I'm set by wallpaper on my screen. मोबाइल फ़ोन की स्क्रीन पे इसको सेट कर रही हूँ. ओके करते ही आप देख सकते हैं मेरे मोबाइल फ़ोन की स्क्रीन पे वॉलपेपर आ चुका है. और इससे पहले डायमंड वाला वॉलपेपर था व्हेन आई स्टार्ट माय वीडियो. सो गाइज, इफ़ यू लाइक एंड दिस वीडियो एंड चैनल, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब इट. थैंक यू.